Okay, children. Now, after discussing the two sleeping patterns, that is hibernation and estivation, we move on to another important topic in animals, that is their sleep cycle. Sleep cycle. Now, something very interesting about this topic is that the sleep cycle of different animals is different. For example, in case of a cow, it sleeps 4 hours. In case of a python, 18 hours, giraffe, 8 hours, cat, 12 hours, and lizard sleeps generally 4 hours. I will tell you one classic example of an animal which is called as a sloth, and you will be surprised that it also sleeps approximately 17 to 18 hours in a day. Now, to get an idea what this animal looks like and to read a little more about its behavior, let us zoom in here and see the animal. So, this is the animal. It's a sloth. Don't get confused with a bear. It's not a bear. All these pictures that you can see here on the screen are different positions of a sloth. And if you notice, this is the most classic position where the sloth actually hangs down the branch of the tree where it is. And you will be surprised to know a sloth keeps hanging like this for many hours in a day. Then it just starts feeding on that tree where it is hanging down from. After a few days or say a few months, it moves on to the next tree to eat the leaves of that tree and again onto the next tree. So this is how a sloth behaves. It is mostly sleeping. So as I told you, its sleep cycle is 17 to 18 hours. Now with the help of a picture, I will try to explain how will you show the sleep cycle of a sloth. Please don't underestimate the animal. It is not a lazy animal, but it's just that nature has blessed it with a very nice sleep. So it sleeps for 17 to 18 hours. So this is how we are going to show the sleep cycle of a sloth. If you see clearly and carefully, I have divided this circle into 12 parts. All right. And how many parts have I colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Alright. Now one fraction here is equal to 2 hours, which makes 24 hours in a day. So if we count these fractions, these are 9 fractions. 9 multiplied by 2 gives you the sleeping time or the sleep cycle of a sloth. 9 twos are 18. 18 hours is the sleeping cycle of a sloth. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I'll show you one more example how to draw sleep cycle. Again, see very clearly, this circle is also divided into 12 parts. Each fraction here or each part represents 2 hours. That makes 24 hours in a day. So we have colored only 2 parts. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So sleep cycle of a cow is only 4 hours. So if you get to draw the sleep cycle of a cow or a python or a sloth, this is how you are going to do it. I hope it is clear to everybody, the sleep cycle of a sloth and the sleep cycle of a cow. So just to recap what we have done, a sloth sleeps 17 to 18 hours in a day, keeps hanging upside down on a tree branch for a very long time. Its lifespan is 40 years and lives and feeds on 8 trees during its entire life. That is the maximum number of trees a sloth stays on, 8 trees in its entire lifetime. Thank you.